Sri Lanka, the pearl of the Indian Ocean. Welcome to Sri Lanka, an island nation known as the Pearl of the Indian Ocean, a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. Sri Lanka boasts stunning natural beauty, from the emerald green tea plantations of Nuwara Eliya to the cascading waterfalls hidden in its hills. The island is a paradise for wildlife lovers, home to majestic elephants, elusive leopards, and a dazzling array of birds. Sri Lanka is one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. With a history spanning over 2,500 years, Sri Lanka is rich in cultural heritage. The ancient Sigiriya rock fortress, the sacred Dambulla cave temple, and the ruins of Polonnaruwa tell stories of a glorious past. The vibrant culture of Sri Lanka is seen in its music, dance, and colorful festivals. The Grand Esala Perahera parade in Kandy is a spectacle of devotion and tradition. From golden sandy beaches to world-class surf spots, Sri Lanka's coastline is a tropical paradise perfect for relaxation and adventure. A taste of Sri Lanka is a feast of flavors. From spicy curries to crispy hoppers and the famous kotu roti, every dish is a delight for the senses. Whether you seek adventure, history, nature, or relaxation, Sri Lanka offers a world of experiences. Come and discover the magic of this island gem. If you enjoyed this journey through Sri Lanka, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next adventure.